Well, even with the dangerous cold and the snow that's been on the ground, we still do have this weather alert day, which is in effect through Tuesday. And on top of that, this is going to be lasting for quite some time. We haven't hit zero here in Charleston since December of 2022, just over 2 years ago. And factoring in the wind, it could be even more cold on top of that. The road conditions, they will be turning icy. Anything that's not shoveled tonight, unfortunately, that's going to become a problem. Icing over heading into Monday. Now, there is some thawing late into the week. We'll get up into the 30s and eventually the 40s, which will be welcome. But those snow showers, they're going to make returns Thursday night into Friday and then even into next week. And another system could provide a wintry mix around here. So I expect road and travel conditions to be very dangerous. We have very slick, that code red here for tonight. Not much improvement into Monday and Tuesday as those temperatures fall near zero and in some cases maybe below zero, especially into the mountains. The treatment that goes onto those road surfaces may fail, and that'll be a problem Tuesday morning and maybe even again on Wednesday morning. But the wind chills, they're fueled by that westerly flow here. It might feel like 6 below zero as we head outside early on Monday morning, and not much improvement into the afternoon. In fact, the mountain zones here anywhere from 10 to 15 below, and on those highest mountaintops, even the sheltered valleys there, it could even be 30 below. So this is the time to prepare here. Wear multiple layers. In fact, if you can stay inside, minimize the time for outdoor activities, that's your best bet. Inside your home, opening the curtains, good idea during the daytime, but you want to close off the windows for sure. And any draft or cold air that leaks into the building, want to find a way to close that off here in conditions like this. Turning the heat up is a safe thing, but space heaters, make sure they have proper clearance all the way around, no power strips, no extension cords. Your best bet is to have a natural permanent heating source in your home, and the pipe freezes. Probably going to have some bursts this week. This is a good time to kind of get the faucets running a little bit, both the hot and cold water together, and opening up the cabinet. So snow showers making their way through here. They appear to be more light, but some of these back into Ohio are heavier. They're approaching the Scioto River Valley, and that activity should reach us here in Charleston closer to 10 o'clock tonight. That strong cold front, it's positioned over the East Coast. That helps us because now storm systems are more likely to form off the coastline and track upwards rather than back to our south and west. But we're going to be dealing with that frigid Arctic cold here as we come into the next few days. So snow showers, they look rather light here, but this could produce reduced visibility and accumulate 1 to 2 inches additional into the evening. Already had just about 3.5 to 4 inches, might have a little bit more. And this is a very cold air mass, so when we get temperatures down to single digits, it's not out of the question on Monday tomorrow to get a few snow flurries here. Not seeing them, but notice temperatures still diving down to 5, 4, maybe even 3 degrees early on Tuesday, and mostly cloudy skies with a couple more snow showers along with a weak disturbance. As we head later in the week to Wednesday morning, that's going to be a really cold start to the day, but then notice the ridging here. We get some high pressure, a little cold front there Friday, a light snow shower chances around, and we get some sunshine there into next weekend. That's our opportunity to hit the 40s before we track yet another system, which could bring in chances for rain and snow. Initially rain on Sunday, but that will eventually mix along with some snow showers there later on into the forecast and take us back down to that cold weather pattern.